today we'll be making some classic vanilla cookies. These are perfect for Christmas and really easy to make. First, we're going to add butter into a large bowl. Next, we're going to add sugar. We're going to blend that all together with our hand mixer until it's nice and fluffy and looks like this. Next, we're going to add an egg and some milk. And we're also going to add our vanilla extract. Next, we're going to blend it all together until it's nice and fluffy and looks like this. And make sure to scrape down the sides so that it can get fully combined. Next, we're going to add our baking powder so that the dough will rise when baked. And we're also going to add half of our flour. And we're going to mix that all together. I also just want to add that we added a pinch of salt within this process just to add flavor to the cookies, so make sure you do that too. And also make sure to scrape down the sides so that it gets fully combined. It should look something like this, and then you're going to add the other half of your dough, but instead of mixing it in, you're going to fold it in with your spatula. And it might look like this in the beginning, but just keep on mixing, because then it'll look like this. And we ended up taking a piece of that dough because we were going to use it for future projects in Jean's 25 Days at Christmas. Video's coming soon. And we just wrapped it in some wax paper and chilled it overnight. Okay y'all, so it's the next day. We split our dough into 3 different pieces and dyed them red, blue, and green. And we're just going to roll those out because we're making rainbow classic sugar cookies. We wanted to add some color to them. I don't know why, it just looks more fun and it's much more fun to make. So after we rolled them out, we dipped our little cookie cutters in flour so it won't stick. Make sure to press it down really firm. And there you go. Okay, so this is what they look like after they were on the non-stick pan. We did hats, snowflakes, and gloves, and I really liked how they turned out. Okay, we also added a little bit of sugar. This is optional, but I don't know, we just wanted to add a little bit of sugar on top. And make sure to preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and you're going to put these cookies in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, now they're out of the oven, we decided to decorate them with some white icing. I put a little border around the sides, and guys, I'm not really a good decorator, so it didn't really turn out that well, but I tried my best, and it was really fun to make. And I decided to put some blue sprinkles on the outside. I don't know why, I just like how it looked. And then I used the rest of the icing to fill in the center of the cookie. And don't worry, the other ones turned out much better than this, but I think this one turned out alright. Those are our 2 cookies, and then we decorated the rest of the cookies on the pan, and they look like this. Not my best, but I think they look pretty cute, and I like them. You should definitely try this out with your kids, or whoever you want. They're really fun, easy, and perfect for the Christmas season. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye!